Table calculations exercise, ranking. In this exercise, we are going to look at writing a table calculation to rank our dimensions based on an aggregation. We will look at the rank functions. So let's open up Tableau and let's get started. As always, let us start by loading our data. So let's click on Microsoft Excel. Let's find and load in your sample superstore data source. Once the drag table here is showing, let's take orders and drop it straight in. And now let's go to our sheet. So for this day visualization, we are going to create a ranking. So let's have some fun. Firstly, I want us to take state and drop it into rows. What I want us to do now is to create several different rank objects. So let's create a calculated field. Let's call this rank by cells. We are going to use the rank function. We're going to put our expression, which would be sum cells. And we want this to be descending. So ascending will be, you have two options. Ascending will be smallest to largest. We want the largest to be number 1 and then decreasing. So we've got a rank by cells. Let's double click that to add this so you can see the ranking. Now let us duplicate this and have this as rank by profit. Let's edit this table calculation. Instead of cells as our expression, let's put in sum of profit. Let's double click that. Very nice. One more time, let's duplicate. Let's edit. Let's turn this into quantity. So you can see we're having 3 different rankings. Now let's drag that in. You can see we've built a very fun and simple data visualization. Let's edit this. So profit, ranking, edit, cells, ranking. You see it's nice and simple, and quantity, ranking. Let us select all 3 of these new Windows calculations, table calculations. Number formats, let's turn them into a whole numbers. Let's have some fun here. Let's make these circles. Let's put the text in the center. And let's increase the size of the circle. And now let's drop this into color. Let's change the color now. I like orange to blue, although let's go for the more traditional red to green. And we want to reverse this so that if you're number 1, you're doing quite well. So here we have it. It's a simple ranking table using the ranking calculations, table calculations. So what I want you to do is have a think about this. How about Arizona? Look how interesting that is. And you can see we can do some very interesting things with rankings. I see a lot of balanced scorecards with this type of information. And it's so quick and easy to do when you're leveraging table calculations. So give this a try. Try it on your own data. Also, there are several different ranking calculations. Explore them and see what they do. The main thing is to have fun, because ranking is something I use a lot of. So I hope you enjoy.